Hello everyone, this is Astro Meenu here. Welcome to my channel Pure Soul Astrology. Today I'll be telling you Ketu remedies for all the houses. Many people feel their Ketu is too strong. Few feel it is too weak. Ketu is one planet. If you boost him, your family and social life will be highly disturbed. And if you try to weaken it, then his other twin Rahu, he will ruin your life by royally because he'll be giving you everything. So you need to just balance the vibes of Ketu by playing with the signification of Ketu in your life. Now Ketu, if you have Ketu in a first house, so main remedy here is to understand that you need the support of helping hand of others in life. Life cannot go alone. You can't be self-sufficient all the time. Once you will understand and will start working on this, you will start enjoying life. You should never miss your daily prayers and worshipping God. Remedy for the Ketu in the second house would be donate multicolored flowers in temple every day. Keep donating food to those who are sitting outside temple for help. Do not wear multicolored clothes or cap. Flag, Ketu represents flag, so hoist a flag on the temple whenever there are adverse situations in your life which are beyond control. Dhwaja is a very pure remedy for Ketu. If you have Ketu in a third house, donate sweets to your relatives and neighbors on occasions. Buy 3 dog statues at home. If possible, they are made of clay. You can also keep a dog as a pet. That is also a remedy for Ketu. And if you have a Ketu in a fourth house, put saffron tilk on your forehead every day. Recite Ketu Pranam mantra every day. You should arrange for Brahman Bhoj regularly at home, not in temple. Stop starving or keeping more and more fast. This will activate your Ketu more. If you have a Ketu in a fifth house, mix black and white sesame seeds and flow them in a river or canal. Keep a silver box full of honey at home. Even the lid of the box should be of silver. Do not get involved into any kind of extramarital affairs. So this will protect your fifth house activities. And if you have a Ketu in a sixth house, keep doing charity of Jupiter items to Brahmins like jaggery, or you can work against animal abusers. This will also help because sixth house is of pets. So this remedy will help you here. And if you have Ketu in the seventh house, which is not considered good at all, so you have to worship Lord Ganesha on a daily basis. It is better if one can feed dogs on daily basis, or you can feed donkey as well, as donkey keeps working hard all the time, so you need to take care of them. Ketu represents all who stand up for a cause. A native may become a volunteer for human animal rights protection, saving someone from any kind of problems if they have coming in their life. Can be some working in an NGO as well, so it will strengthen their Ketu. And if the placement of Ketu is in an 8th house, start practicing meditation. If your finance allows, you can keep feeding elephants if you have somewhere nearby. This will also help you in the long run. Walk barefoot on the grass donate sweets to orphans. The native should get his ear pierced and wear gold in ears. And if you have Ketu in the 9th house, wear gold metal. Or you can wear even cat's eye stone, but this depends on a depositor of the Ketu. Keep touching feet of Brahmin or priests of temples regularly. If not staying with father, then you must touch the father's feet every day. That means you can have a picture of your father and you can touch the feet. Ketu in 10th house. Replace sugar by jaggery from your eating habits. Donate multi-color clothes to people. Take care of those who work on the lower level in your company or under you. Be sensitive towards them. Start some spiritual learning or meditative course extra. Placement of Ketu in a 11th house. Don't starve yourself. Wear gold on a daily basis. Feed street dogs. Donate 500 grams of black raisins to a temple once a week, depending on the sign of the Ketu in 11th. You need to determine the day of the week. Volunteer for animal rights or protecting animals can be another remedy for this placement of Ketu. Now, 12th house Ketu. Mostly here Ketu does well unless Ketu with Saturn, Mars or Venus does not behave well in 12th, otherwise it behaves well. Ketu represents sadhus. Please praise such personalities. Touch their feet, offering fruits and food. Keep donating for pilgrimage. Though these are general remedies, but if you do regularly, it will definitely help you. But precisely if you look for a astro chart of an individual person, remedies might be different. But if you do this on a regular basis, of course it will help you. Thanks for watching.